Gummy Bears, it's me, Teacher Caitlin. Let's go on a nature walk together and search for some patterns. Keep an eye out for anything that looks like a pattern while we walk. Ooh, I see a pattern in these flowers. White, brown, white, brown, white, brown, and pink. Ooh, what about this pattern? White, purple, white, purple, white, purple, white. Do you see any more patterns? Ooh, I see a pattern in that flag. Let's look for some more. Do you see any other patterns? Ooh, I see some on our sidewalk too. Let's find some more. I see a pattern on this flower. It has yellow petals and brown petals. Yellow and brown, yellow and brown. I see a pattern on these pine cones. These pine cones have a spiral pattern. They go around in a circle, in a spiral. This spiral is also called a Fibonacci spiral. Do you see any more patterns on our nature walk? No patterns in the tree, but I think I see some patterns at the park. Let's walk over there and see if we can see any other patterns. I see a circle pattern on this park bench. Do you see the circles? That's right, they're right there. Ooh, I see a pattern here. X, O, X. X, O, X. X, O, X. That makes a pattern. What about this crosswalk? Do you see a pattern in the stripes? I see that pattern too. I had so much fun going on a nature walk and searching for patterns with you today. Keep a lookout for any patterns you might see in your neighborhood. I'll see you next time. Bye!